All right, this is episode 8, solving inequalities number 2. We're not going to draw any pictures or models with these. We're just going to kind of solve them out like we've been doing with the dragon box method, all right? So what you want to do here is you want to make like two sides of our equation. Put little lines down. We have two sides. On this side we have x and then two positives plus 2. And then over here we have negative 5. So to get this x by itself, what's the opposite of positive 2? Negative 2. So we're going to do minus 2 over here and minus 2 over here. Okay? A positive 2 and a minus 2 is going to make 0. So I'm left with x is greater than or equal to, what is negative 5 minus 2? What would that be? I have 5 negatives. I have 5 negatives and 2 negatives. Put them all together. No, listen. I have 7. I have 5 negatives and I have 2 negatives. Negative 7. Okay? So I have my answer as x is greater than or equal to negative 7. And I'm going to sketch a real quick answer number line here. So let me draw on a number line. I would put negative 7 in the middle. Is my circle going to be shaded in or open? Shaded in. Okay, and then I draw my line going this way. Okay, so the answer is any number that is bigger than negative 7, like negative 6, negative 5, positive 6, and all that way. Okay? All right, let me give you another example. Another one we're going to have, you're going to see is, we're going to have 3x is, let's say, less than 15. So you do the same thing as if it said 3x equals 15. You do the same thing, only there's a little symbol there. So we have, this means 3 times x. We have 3 x's. So what is the opposite of 3 times x? What's the opposite of multiplying? Divide. So we're going to divide by 3, and we're going to divide by 3. Just like in Dragon Box, right? Whenever you have the same number, what is this going to make? What's 3 divided by 3? 1. So we have 1x all by itself is less than, what's 15 divided by 3? 5. So my answer is x is less than 5. And we graph that out just like this. I'm going to draw a little line. I'll put 5 in the middle. My arrow is going to says less than, so I'm going to open circle. It's going to go left. And so that would be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All those numbers going that way. Okay. Let me show you one with a division problem now. Move this up. We have x divided by 4 is greater than, we'll put 5. X divided by 4 is greater than 5. So I have, remember the fraction means division. What's the opposite of dividing? Multiplying. So I'm going to multiply both sides times 4. I'm going to multiply both sides times 4. Okay? So, I didn't draw my lines. Sorry, I should draw my lines. So I'm going to be left, this is going to cancel, this is going to make 1. So I have x by itself. And what's 5 times 4? 20. So my answer is any number that is greater than 20. That's my answer. Would make that statement true. So here's my 20. I'm going to do open circle. And any number that's bigger than 20. Numbers like 21 or 22. Oh yeah, 21. Sorry, I forgot to say 21. And anything like that would make it true. Okay? So we're going to practice doing this tomorrow. You're going to practice kind of drawing a little number line with your answer when you solve it out. Okay? The biggest thing to remember, I'm marking the biggest thing to remember here at the bottom here, is that the opposite of addition is what?
Subtraction.
And then the opposite of multiplying is dividing. Okay, so kind of write that on there. The opposite of addition, subtraction, multiplying is dividing. And that's what's going to help you here in algebra is you do the opposite. If you have a plus 5, you do the opposite. Yeah. Okay, that's it for the video. I'm going to